Kim said she had barbecue steak, corn, and homemade fries. That sounds good. What's everybody else eating for dinner tonight? What's everybody having for dinner? Jack in the Box and Taco Bell. Bless y'all, man. Y'all are taking huge risks. Yeah, they're kind of brown right now, so they're just about done. You want that brown caramel color. Oh, yeah. You said you had gold Orioles. What sport is that? I heard the name before. I think it's baseball. What city is that? Carla said she had pork chops. Um, yeah. I can, Doug. Hello, Dougie's children. How you doing? Hope you guys are having a great time tonight. God bless y'all. I didn't get it yet, Josh. They still haven't even sent it to me. Okay, yeah, these onions pretty much done. Baltimore, Maryland Orioles, okay. These go Orioles. Thank you so much. Oh my God, thank you so much, Doug. God bless you, Doug. God bless your whole family, man. Doug just sent me $15, guys. I really appreciate that. These onions are about done now. So I'm gonna put the I'm gonna put the meat in first. Cook the meat, and then I'll have to put the pasta sauce in. That's very sweet to hear, Doug. That's very nice to hear. You know, it's nice to hear that there's people out there that care about me. You know, it's nice to hear that I got a lot of viewers that actually do care about me, or not just like these other people just come in here to talk shit or harass me or whatever. Hold on, maybe I can put the phone up here so y'all can see it. Okay, there you go. There you go. Gonna mix those onions with the meat. Oh yeah. Okay. Now I actually I went over a friend's house a few days ago, and they cooked a. I always thought that you want to season the food. I always thought that you want to season the food. I'm not seeing it as I cook and taste better. Yeah, that's what I thought. You said my Johnny Buddy Jeff says hello. He works at Planet Pizza. God bless you, Jeff from Planet Pizza. God bless you. Appreciate you so much, Doug. You said why not the tomato sauce? Yeah, I'm gonna put this pasta sauce in there after the meat cooks. I think it's just gonna be easier to look at the meat and tell if it's cooked. Yeah, I got pasta sauce for chili dogs because I forgot to get any kind of tomatoes or anything. I forgot you had to have that for chili sauce. God bless you, Doug. I'm glad you enjoy watching my videos. Facts. Yeah, I cook a lot of pasta. Thank you. God is good. So, okay, you guys agreed with me that you're supposed to put the seasoning in before, but somebody said salt or garlic, boil out of it. Okay. Um. So tell me what you think about this now. Now, what I like to do is put the seasoning when I'm cooking up, right? Sprinkle it all with seasoning. Then put the lid on. Put the lid on, and then wait like a minute or two, and then stir it. You know, and then put another layer of seasoning on top after you stir it. But I feel like that way that it really soaks in the seasoning more. Thank you, John. You said, please sing Old Christmas Tree in a short soon. Sure, I'll try to remember to do that. Thank you, Doug. While you make chili, you keep all the fat juice and then add a thicker tomato paste, and it will boil down into gelatin chili thick. Yeah, I was thinking you want to add the tomato sauce last. The salt to flavor. Put all in at once so it can absorb the flavors more. Maybe you're right. God bless you. He says sing Krishna. I don't know if I want to sing right now. You know, I think one of my roommates is taking a nap. No, it's not anymore. But you know, it's not the place for me to sing right now. But tell me, what do you guys think about my strategy when I put the seasoning on, then let it cook with the lid on? You see, hold on, I'll show you again. So yeah, you see, I put the lid on. You see the seasoning all on top, and then after a minute or two, I'm gonna start. You said let's donate for me to get a food truck. Yeah, that would be great. Get a food truck. But to be honest, I probably wouldn't be able to get that much money. Okay, so the meat is still a little pink. He said, what a horrible life. What do you mean? God bless you, God is good. God bless you, man. Hey, does anybody else want to share what they're having for dinner tonight? Yo, what up, man? Came at the right time. Oh, man. I'm making chili cheese dogs. The people on my live stream said they miss you. They said that you're the coolest guy around. Heard it? They didn't really say that.
But then why would you? You know what they say? Be impeccable with your word.
Yeah, but I just wanted him to feel special.
Yeah, well, still not being impeccable.
Oh, he got a taxi.
Wow, yeah.
Executive privilege.
Right.
Okay.
Money behind that one.
The power is now. Facts. Okay, Holmes said they had Chinese. Hellfire said he had Japanese. Somebody said I had salami and cheese on crackers. All right, bro.
Yeah, definitely got that.
Thank you, Doug.
Cool taxi.
Yup.
Like a Uber or something.
No, it's the only. I think it's the only taxi service in town. Yeah. Yeah. John said you had hot dogs with baked beans and mac and cheese. Nice. You said Japanese food. Hallelujah. Yeah, I love some hibachi. Oh man, I love hibachi. I don't know how they make it taste so good though. Does anybody know their secret? Because you can make the same thing that they supposedly serve you, and it doesn't taste the same. taste the same. Has anybody ever tried to make hibachi at home? You said I can send you a good recipe if you will accept it. Yeah, man, please. You know, one night I'll make some hibachi here. That would be really good. You said tomorrow steak and potatoes, bro. I got you. Hey, that would be. You know what? I might try to make some hibachi tomorrow if I can get enough money. Doug says he has a recipe. You know, if you wanna send me a recipe, you can actually send me a message on Facebook. It's Austin Joseph Tamargo, or I also have an email, but I don't really want to give it out. But I have. If you have, do you have Facebook? Said you will make it good. Hey, that sounds good, man. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the chili seasoning in. A lot of seasoning. Okay, got this chili seasoning in. Okay, now the pasta sauce. Oh wait, is this? Oh, glad I caught that.
I think all you need to do with that water, does it ask to
It calls for tomatoes.
oh yeah. Well,
But it's fine if there's no tomatoes.
no, right. I think it's like taco sauce doesn't take tomatoes.
Right, but it's chili sauce. It's a little bit different apparently.
Yeah, I don't know what to try. I don't think
It's fine.
Yep. Anything else there? I can't see it there, but I don't think there's anything. Usually I should keep it over here. Okay.
Yeah, unfortunately, guys, the pasta sauce had some. You guys really think it needs water? I guess I'll put a splash in there. I don't really want to put too much water in it. A little splash. Okay, now that is I can leave that for a little bit and start cooking some hot dogs. You want a chili cheese dog? Alright. Just one. this. I'm only fatso in that house. I'm gonna eat like 3 or 4. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Y'all can see both the pans, right? Okay, I'm trying to open this damn hot dog. You want a chili dog?
Sure.
All right.
I'll try one of your concoctions.
All right.
There's some fried potatoes, just gotta warm those up.
Okay.
I don't care if it's potatoes, though, I don't care.
All right.
Oh, dang it. Finish this project. Sorry. Finally got bigger beans. Please, finish.
There you go.
They're actually 10. What I asked for. Kind of looked at me like, I thought, okay.
I don't know where I put that other onion there. Oh, here it is. Chili doesn't smell too great, but might be good. Maybe I should put more water in it, like the people said. boil your hot dogs. Yeah, that's a common way to do it. You said, why didn't I cook the hot dogs when I was making the chili?
Maybe you could have cooked them right in the sauce.
Yeah, I guess I'm just not smart enough. Yeah, I turned the chili down to low. I got it on the lowest. Oh, nah, I already got the hot dogs cooking.
Probably even if you had leftovers, you could slice them up and put them in those potatoes too.
Yeah?
Yeah, like a little hash or something.
Yeah. Yeah, earlier, one of my roommates made potatoes, some chopped up potatoes. So when I got here and they told me about it, I said, well, what would be good with those potatoes is some chili cheese dogs. I pack one package of chili mix to 1 pound of butter. Yeah, that's what I did, Amy. That's exactly what I did.
What?
Practice not done anything positive for anyone that has tried it.
What? What hasn't?
That's right. Anybody that's tried it.
Tried what?
Okay. That has tried it.
That has tried. Yeah, of course not.
That has tried it.
Oh, Lord.
Here's out to somebody.
Damn it.
Lots of countries that use the carton.
I forgot to add some oil to this damn pan. Hot dogs are a little burnt.
The Greenville Company, the West Coast Company.
I burnt the hot dogs just a little bit, but that little burn mark just adds flavor, That adds a little bit of flavor. You said I didn't find any canned chili. I was looking for it. I swear on my life. I looked everywhere for some canned chili. Yeah, that's what I figured, Sammy. That's what I figured. I got some pepperoni cheese. Oh, you know what? It's not gonna go down easy. That would be a good idea, Almighty Vin, but knowing my haters, they'd probably report me pretty soon. And then the fucking, the IRS would be after me. Said you never fried hot dogs. What the hell? Ain't never fried a damn hot dog. Now you ain't living, brother. Something over here smells bad. I don't know what it is. Yeah, you're probably right. Okay, well, let me get it off. Yeah, the potatoes are I didn't put them on. Let me check. Yeah, maybe that. Potatoes are still. Probably is the damn hot dog. And hot dogs are burn on the backside. Thanks. You're welcome. The cheese is on the bottom of it. There you have it. Homemade chili cheese dogs. Oh man. There was this plastic plate up here.
Oh, okay.
there was a really bad smell. It's just burning, and realized there's a plastic plate on the stove. That smells terrible. That burnt plastic. So did I get my beer? No, but I got some wine. Got a bottle of wine. Oh man. Alright, now it's the final test to see how it is. Yeah. Cheers, everybody. No, not too bad.
Good.
Oh yeah. It was, that smell was worrying me. I thought it might have been part of the food, but it was a plastic plate. I was like, what the hell is that smell?
Let's go for it this time. Got your dollar today?
Sticking to my strategy.
Yeah.
Every day, 20 times, 5 cents. One of these days it'll hit. Yeah, I need to get my viewers. I need to give you guys a referral code. Oh, so that's how you pronounce the word. Cabernet Sauvignon. Sauvignon. That's how but she says pronounced. Sauvignon. Yeah, that's how I thought it was pronounced.
Sauvignon.
The G is silent, Amy, so your translation isn't really correct. I got one more sitting there waiting for me. I thought I could eat 3 or 4, but nah, there's a lot of meat on top. 2 will probably definitely fill me up.
I might go with a similar strategy, except for a little different.
Well, how do you switch it up?
I'll do a nice low key add up cent strategy until I get to like $5 every day.
Yeah,
And then if it doesn't hit 1,000, the amount of time it takes me to get to $5, then I'll put 5 cents on.
well, what I did, I saved up my dollar for 2 days. I had $2, and then I got that 2 up to 5, and then you remember I did 50 times 10 cents, and it was one more. You said I mispronounced it the other night. It's French. Well, did you know in France, they don't throw away food in the grocery store? They have to either give it out for free or put it to use for some reason.
And go to France. Just get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, shout out to Mama of Four that sent money with Almighty then.
But another part of me is like, man, if I can get $1, $5.
Then you should be able to get 100 up to 500.
Right.
Which is what I wanted you to do that day. But you couldn't do it. Because
You didn't even let me try it. You gave me like 10 minutes.
no, bro, you had that phone for a few hours.
No.
Yes, at least 1 hour. I swear, it was at least an hour. Because you went up to like 103, and then you went down to 101, and then you went down. Thanks, Devin. So, guys, stay tuned. Look on the community section of my channel. I'm going to upload a link tonight. Okay, there's this website. They give you a free $1 every day. Now, I haven't wanted to talk about this with you guys because I know all my haters are going to say, oh, he's gambling all his money away. You know, all this. But the thing is, they give you a free $1 every day. I don't be putting my money. I don't really be putting my money in there.
I won $600.
My roommate won $600 just off a free play. He didn't put any money in. What he did was you have to claim your daily bonus, and then that's what gives you the dollars. So you have to go on the website every day and claim it. But he did that for 10 days, and then what'd you do?
And I played Plinko.
He played Plinko, which is, it's not the game I usually play, Crash, but it's a game where you just pay for like a ball, and that ball can fall into multiple times a different way. But you said the poster in the back scares you. What was your intention whenever you painted this?
It's a protection symbol.
It's a protection symbol. Somebody commented it was a satanic symbol, and I was like,
No, the satanic symbol's upside down.
That's what I told them. It was. They commented that the last time I did a dinner like this, I had it behind me. The satanic symbol is upside down. This is a symbol for protection.
It's painted with crystals from the mountain.
It's what?
It's painted with crystals from the mountain.
Nice.
From Mount Shasta.
It's painted from crystals from the mountain. Okay, look, Almighty Ben. Don't make me say something and get somebody's hopes up, right? If you send the money for 2 of them, I can give that money to them right now, and they'll be very happy about that. Okay? It's $25 for a lighter cover. If you just sent the money for 1, I know my roommate who makes them will be really happy. Yo, I'm not trying to say you won't, Almighty Ben, but I I don't want them to make one unless you send it first, you know. But if you said $25, hey, you know, I want to apologize on my event. I'm sorry about that. I'm not trying to doubt you. I know that you will. I'm just trying to say, like, I don't want them to, you know, count on it, you know, until I actually have the money for it.
She's getting pretty good at making them. She made a couple real nice ones, pretty colors.
You know, I just said that because almost every time I'm live at the house, somebody asks about it, but nobody ever orders one.
And yeah, nobody wants one because they usually look common.
Yeah.
I don't want one. They're nice to look at, but I wouldn't pay for it. I'm just gonna probably give away little hands, you know, so I'm blessed that my hands aren't idle.
No, you gotta get paid more than
You want?
that.
Hey, well, thank you, Almighty Vim. I hope it works out like that. I'm not doubting you.
Yeah, they're cool. And I rarely keep a lighter till it's dead. But having a lighter case, it makes it real easy to stick in your pocket.
But then someone stole your lighter.
Yeah,
Did you find it?
yeah, after like 2 months and 2 lighters.
Right.
Finally, some kleptomaniac got it.
Some klepto got you.
Or maybe they'll return it because they accidentally put it, or maybe you'll find it in your car.
No, somebody intentionally stole that thing.
Yeah, it had to be.
They're like, oh, this is cool. And
yeah, because, I mean, you can't think that's yours with the case on it, you know?
Yeah, and you're not going to pull it out of your pocket later and be like, oh, this lighter I found, oh well.
Yeah.
You know, somebody like missing it.
Does the $25 for the lighter cover include shipping? Did you hear me?
It depends on where they are, I guess.
Are you in the United States?
You could probably just slap it right in an envelope and only
Right.
pay like a stamp, you know?
Yeah, right. So, this guy on the live stream said he wants to get 2 of them on Monday. I told him I wouldn't say nothing to get nobody's hopes up.
You got a couple of them made, don't you? Mom, you have a couple of those made, right? One of his friends wants to order 2 of them.
Oh, really? What color?
Look, I told them don't get their hopes up, but then they said, hey, haven't I been sending you money for dinner? Don't you doubt me now. So
Ask him what colors.
Ask him what color. What color?
Okay.
I
Okay, what colors would you like, Almighty Vim? Now, I'm telling you right now, I'm not doubting you because you have sent me money for dinner, you know, and for other things. So, you know, I'm not doubting you. I'm just saying, she doesn't care. She doesn't care about the money. She just wants to keep her hands not idle.
What color do they want?
What color do you? If you have like a few different colors, you know, if you want 2 or 3 colors, she can do that also.
Well, you saw my last one, didn't you?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they saw your last one.
I'm not quite finished with it, but
So here's one that she's not quite finished with. you know. So she can do designs, but you know, if you just say a few colors, then she can make it look good. Don't you have another one around here somewhere?
Yeah, I got a picture of it.
Oh, you don't have to pull it out if you don't want to.
I got a picture of it. It's phone. My phone. Take a picture of a picture.
Yeah, I can show it on the video.
Another one.
That's a picture of another one she did. They said, let me talk to my brother. His wife has certain colors she likes, and then I have another friend who wants one. I'm in Los Angeles.
Oh.
Yeah. So you know, yeah, I'm pretty sure she can just put it in an envelope, so you don't have to worry about the shipping. It only, yeah, don't worry about the shipping. $25 a piece. Hey, thank you, Almighty Ben. Thank you. I know on Monday.
It takes me about 10 hours to make one, so
It takes about 10 hours to make one, so you got to give her a couple. Well, he said it's gonna be on Monday, anyways. Hey, that would be really nice of you. You know, but she says it's not about the money. You know, it's something to keep her busy. You know, they say idle hands are the devil's playthings. That's why I like to play video games. Turn this on. That one chili dog was really filling actually. That one chili dog. I guess it's because the hot dog and the extra meat. Maybe. Almighty man. I don't like to be on a set schedule. But maybe. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, there's one more hot dog that's cooked that I was gonna eat after this one, but I'm really not even. I might need to wait a little while. It was pretty good though. Hey, thank you, Almighty Ben. I appreciate you so much, man. Thank you. Did anybody else want to share what they got for dinner tonight? I guess I'm just gonna end the live stream soon. I think I'm just gonna end the live stream soon. That sounds really fun, Excel. Mexican food is always good. Almost always good. Thank you, Terry. That was pretty good. Hey, if it's your tree, I'll do it. No problem, Almighty. Then thank you, man. Meatloaf and mashed potatoes. You know, I never made meatloaf before. Never made meatloaf, but I know it's really easy to make. My mother would make it sometimes. Yeah, yeah. Maybe if I was a different type of person. Now I'm gonna blaze up some herbs. That's what I'm gonna do. Maybe my appetite will come back and I'll eat that other hot dog. Actually, no. Let's do chicken parmesan. Oh yeah, that's a really good one. You know what? Instead, I should do eggplant parmesan because I got a friend who's vegan. I went over their house a few days ago. They cooked dinner, but that's a vegan meal you can make. All right, y'all. How much would eggplant parm be? I think I'm pretty sure it would be cheaper than chicken parm because I'm almost 100% positive eggplant is cheaper than chicken right now. You only really need one eggplant because what you do, you slice the eggplant.